Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to do a quick video, show you how to erase error codes on your Honda Africa Twin CRF1100. Yesterday I started my bike and I decided to spin the wheel on its center stand. It identified an error on the speed sensor which is placed on the wheel, and then this morning I went to ride and the indicator that shows you malfunction on the ECM appeared on my dashboard. I'm gonna erase it because I know what the problem is, and I'm gonna show you a very quick step in order to do it. Yeah. Okay, first of all, you have to remove the rear seat of your bike. Then you have access to this wire here, which has this cover. Yeah. Just remove it. I don't need to show you how to do it because it's quite easy. Just pull, this red cap from this wire here, and then you access, the connectors. All you have to do, you have to build, get like a paper clip and send it on the tip, and then you have to short circuit. You have to do a jump here. You put on the first one and on the third one from the red color connectors, and then you jump it. After that, all you do, you turn on the bike, you hear like a different noise that indicates that it's jumped. I'm gonna turn on the bike now. You notice that the ECM indicator will blink. The number of blinks the first time will show you whether it's 60, 70, 80, 90, and the second one, the second algorithm. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on. You heard like a small noise. This is the ECM indicator, is blinking. Yeah, mine will blink 6 times, which indicates it's 60, and 7 times faster, which indicates 67. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. You can also check the error code doing this. Just turn on the bike, press here in order to access the menu. Yeah, then go down to settings, press enter. Yeah, go down to service, press enter, and then you have like DTC, press enter again. Here it is. You see, this is the error code that it's making the bike show the ECM lights. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it because I know what it is, and I'm gonna erase this error from the bike because I know it's a simple thing. I don't need to do any checkups in order to find out what the problem. What happened is that I placed my bike on the center stand, turned the bike on, and spinned the wheel, changing the gears. If you do that, you send like an error message that your wheel is spinning, the back one and the front one is not, and this will cause like a damage. Delete. So I'm gonna delete it. There it is, nothing. Did you hear the noise? Yeah, just revising again. Remove the back seat, jump the wires here, do the procedure in order to find which is the error code. You need to have the service manual in order to find which error is number 67, number 99, and then you check the error and you do your things to sort out the error. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I already removed the jump, and I'm gonna show you that the ECM light won't appear. There it is. Yeah, no longer here. Yeah, error cleared. Always be sure that the error that it indicates on your dashboard is something easy and something that you can carry on riding. If it's something more serious, you have to try to find a way to repair it. Yeah, but in this case, if you spin your wheel on your center stand, this error will always appear on your dashboard. I hope I managed to help you. I didn't find any videos showing this. I had to research on the internet, on forums. So any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than pleased to answer. Yeah, all the best.